What if there was an investment with 100% government backing, returns better than an FD, and zero credit risk? All in one. That's not a pitch. That's the RBI Floating Rate Savings Bond 2020. And chances are no one's told you about it yet. Let's start simple. This bond is issued by the Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India. That's as safe as it gets. We are not talking about a company bond or an NBFC. This is a sovereign debt. The government promises to pay you back. Now, here's what makes it different from a regular FD. With an FD, your bank locks in a rate. If rate goes up, you are stuck at the old number. With this bond, the rate floats. It adjusts every 6 months, automatically tracking the NSE rate. So if the government raises rates, your return goes up too. You don't have to do anything. So, how is the rate calculated? Simple formula. NSE rate plus 0.35%. That's your bond rate. So, if we are talking about April 2026, right now the NSE rate is 7.70%. So, add up 0.35%, that will give you 8.05% right now. This rate is reset on 1st Jan and 1st July every year, and the interest gets credited directly to your bank account on those same dates twice a year. No action needed. Compare that to some of the best bank FDs right now. Most are sitting at 7 to 7.5%. This bond is giving you 8.05% right now from the Government of India. If you're getting a value from this, please a like and subscribe goes a long way. Now let's continue. So, how do you actually buy this? Here's the process. You can reach out to us at Sandria Finvest. We are available both in person and online, whichever works best for you. Start with as little as Rs 1000. There's no maximum limit. No demat account needed. The bond is held electronically in a bond ledger account in your name, linked to your existing bank account. Once your check clears, you get your bond certificate within 15 working days. At maturity, that is after 7 years, the principal is auto-credited to your bank, no paperwork to submit. Any resident individual or HUF can invest individually, jointly, or on behalf of a minor. Well, NRIs and entities like companies, banks, and trusts are not eligible. One thing that makes this bond especially relevant for high net worth investors: there's no ceiling on how much you can invest. Now, every investment has its limit. Here's what you must know before investing. These bonds mature in 7 years. You cannot sell them in the market. They are non-transferable. You cannot gift them or pass them to anyone during your lifetime. Only your nominee or legal hire can receive them after you. Well, early exit only for senior citizens. If you are talking about the age group of 60 to 70 years, minimum lock-in is 6 years. 70 to 80 years, it's for 5 years. And 80 years and above, it's for 4 years. But remember, a 50% penalty on your last interest payment applies if you exit early. And in joint holdings, the age rule applies even if only one holder qualifies. The interest you earn is fully taxable at your income slab rate. If the interest exceeds Rs 10,000 in a financial year, TDS will be deducted. Want to avoid TDS? Submit Form 121. For conservative investors, park your funds in RBI bonds for assured risk-free returns and reinvest the interest into mutual fund SIPs to make your money work harder for you. So your principal is safe and interest is getting growth. Here are the frequently asked questions by our investors. What if the interest rates fall? Do I lose out? Yes, the rate can go down too. That's the nature of a floating rate. But historically, NSE rates have stayed competitive and you're still protected by the 0.35% spread on top. Well, the second question is, can I get monthly interest? No, interest is paid only twice a year, on Jan 1st and July 1st. There's no monthly option and no option to reinvest at maturity inside the bond itself. The next question is, I'm an NRI, can I invest? Unfortunately, no. This bond is only for resident Indians and HUFs. Is a demat account required? No. Your bond is held in a bond ledger account completely separate from your demat. Your existing bank account is all you need. So, let's wrap this up. The RBI Floating Rate Savings Bond gives you sovereign-backed safety, zero credit risk, no upper investment limit, and a rate that works in your favor when interest rates rise. So as of today, we are in April 2026. The rate is 8.05%, and that's already better than what most FDs are offering. If you're watching this later, just take the current NSE rate, add 0.35%, and that's your number. If steady, safe income matters to you, this is worth serious consideration. For application forms, step-by-step guidance, reach out to us. All details are in the description below. If this video saved your time or helped you understand something new, hit like. Share it with one person who should know this and subscribe so you can catch our next one. See you soon.